Okay, little update on the Kel Tec. This thing is just so awesome. It's really running smooth, cleans it all up real nice. And look what I got.
800 rounds through the Kel Tec, and I had one stovepipe, and that was just a bad ammo because of bad ammo. I can't believe it. I must have got a good one because some of the reviews I've seen, are not as good as the results that I'm getting. It's just awesome. It just shoots and shoots and shoots,
Yeah.
and never have a hitch. Good gun.
Flash hider on there. It's not a silencer. It's just a flash hider. But I'm gonna get a silencer. Gotta get a tax stamp and all that shit. Oh, yeah.
So I'm a good 20 yards plus away from the target here, and
Right on
had a
target.
couple flyers
No recoil.
off to the left a little bit, but you get more than that with a
can.
22, and that's what's going to
And they're
happen.
actually help
Shooting good. Good gun.
for the weight. I mean, it doesn't have any recoil, kick like that anyway, but that even helps it even more. And looks like it did pretty good. What's up, baby? Oh yeah. Those two big ones on the top there, on the bottom target. Those are the slugs. I wasn't even aiming. That shotgun's awesome. And then the others are all the Kel Tec. So I was shooting a little low, looks like a little bit. It's pretty far away. A good 20 yards. So, pretty awesome. More to come.